Welcome back to Product Critique, where we break down the best products for work, school, and everything in between. Today we're diving into what we believe is hands down the best black ink 24-pack ballpoint pen set you can get your hands on, the Shuttle Art Ballpoint Pens. This is your ultimate everyday writing companion, and by the end of this video, you'll know why it deserves a permanent place on your desk. Right from the unboxing, the Shuttle Art Ballpoint Pens show they're not just pens, they're a full experience. Each pen comes with a vibrant, differently colored barrel, making it easy to color code or simply bring a little personality into your daily notes. But make no mistake, despite the colorful exteriors, all 24 pens write in smooth, rich black ink. The Shuttle Art pens use a 1.0mm medium point that offers an ideal balance between boldness and control. Whether you're journaling, note-taking, sketching, or working through paperwork, these pens glide effortlessly on the page. And perhaps best of all, they dry quickly, minimizing smears, making them left-hand friendly too. We tested these pens in real-world conditions, from fast-paced office meetings to long journaling sessions and classroom note-taking. The result? A consistently clean, fluid writing experience. The ink flow is just right, not too heavy, not too faint. You get legible, confident strokes every single time. Let's talk design. The Shuttle Art pens feature a convenient retractable mechanism. No caps to lose, no fuss. Just click and write. The barrels have a smooth plastic body with a sturdy clip, making them easy to carry in notebooks, planners, or shirt pockets. They're lightweight, which means you can write for extended periods without discomfort. And since there are 24 of them, you're always covered, at home, in the office, or on the go. Students, professionals, and casual writers will all find something to love here. They're reliable, look good, and feel great in hand. Plus, with this pack, you'll likely not need to buy another pen for months, maybe even longer. When it comes to long-term use, these pens hold up surprisingly well. The ink reservoirs last for pages and pages. And with 24 in a pack, you don't have to worry about running out anytime soon. Keep a few at work, a couple at home, toss one in your bag, and you're still left with plenty. So, whether you're a student gearing up for exams, a professional organizing your workflow, or a writer chasing inspiration on paper, this pen pack checks all the boxes. This has been Product Critique, and that's our take on the Shuttle Art Ballpoint Pens, your new go-to writing tool. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, subscribe for more honest product reviews, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.